Nation, stand up. What is going on, man? Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy FaTkaT, bringing you another one, of course. So today, man, I am headed back out to Lakeland, back over to my boy Keith, back over to his shop, because I got a package over there, all right, that I'm going to unbox for you guys as soon as I get over there. This box is going to be this is a collaboration effort, which this is going to be a giveaway, as you guys can see in the title. So this is going to be, well, I want to call it a giveaway. It's going to be most likely like a raffle form. I don't know, got the exact details. I got to talk to them, but this is going to be in a partnership with Carmarka. All right, so like I said, you guys, I'm not going to tell you what you got, what it is right now, because obviously I'm going to do the unboxing, so you guys will see it then. But once I unbox it, like I said, whatever is in that box, and it's something good. Actually, it's a few things that are good, but we are going to most likely raffle that off to a lucky person, man. Obviously, like I said, I have to talk to them and see how exactly we want to do it as far as the details. But it's gonna be dope, man. So for a certain price, for, you know, buying a ticket, or however many tickets, obviously it's unlimited, so you can buy however many tickets you want, but you know, at a certain price point, which is going to be low, $5, $10, whatever it is. Again, I don't know what the exact details are going to be. I got to talk to them. Honestly, I didn't talk to them yet. This is just the beginning part, like I said, just the unboxing. So I haven't actually ironed out the details of what they want to do as far as in a partnership, but I do know this. This is going to be given away once I hit 20,000 subscribers. We're close. We are at 15. I think I'm at 15.3. I think 15.3. I don't know. 15,200, something like that. But either way, though, I'm close. So yes, it is 5,000 subscribers. I understand it is a lot. So it might be a few months from now, but this is going to be the big giveaway for when I hit 20K subscribers, man. 20K. So with that being said, man, that means you guys have to share every single video that I do. You guys gotta, you know, obviously I'm gonna have to say this in every single video, because there's new people every single, you know, every time watching the videos. But you know, all the videos got to be shared. The channel has to be shared, so that everybody can see, man. Everybody can subscribe and so on and so forth. And like I said, once I hit 20,000 subscribers, this will be the giveaway for that. With that being said, Carmarka, if you guys don't know who Carmarka is, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, if you guys have seen my, you know, if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys will know that I got all my carbon fiber stuff, as far as front, you know, front splitter, side skirts, diffuser, the rear splats, which go on the back, you know, the bottom of the back bumper, on the sides. But anyway, pretty much anything I got carbon fiber right now on the car is from carmarka.com. And if you don't know, if you want to order anything from them, you go to their website. In the comment section, you can put my code, which is FaTkaT10, FaTkaT10, FaTkaT 10. All right, and you get 10% off of, you know, whatever it is that you bought. So I know what you're saying, like 10% is not that much. Well, it is that much when you're dealing with stuff that's, you know, a couple $1,000s. If you decide you want to order, you know, a whole kit or whatever, you're talking about $2,000. But 10% is $200. So that basically saves you, you know, shipping, or the, you know, the taxes, or however you want to look at it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? So it does save you a good amount. You know what I'm saying? Even if you just bought, like I said, a rear diffuser or front splitter, let's say that's $300-400. I mean, you just saved yourself $40. You know what I'm saying? Again, that's the taxes. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know, some of your shipping, man. So anyway, but that being said, like I said, we're gonna iron out the details and all of that. Like I said, this video is basically just to give you guys what those items are going to be as far as the giveaway when I hit 20,000. Oh, and like I said, what I was getting at was Carmarka has also started a YouTube channel, and obviously they want to hit a good amount of subscribers as well. So I'm gonna have to talk to them again, iron it out, and see up to what subscribers they're trying to get to, either 500 subscribers or maybe 1,000. But once they hit that, once they hit that threshold, I hit my threshold as far as 20,000, then that will be the giveaway. Will be raffled off. So this will probably be a good few months worth of raffles and you know, so on and so forth, and getting, you know, like I said, getting raffle money and being able to be, you know, get prepared for this. But it is gonna be dope, man. So I'm on the way over to Keith's right now. Like I said, if you guys don't know what Keith is, he's FaTkaT, the guy with the red bag to Hellcat. Dope, super dope. Headed over there right now, and we're gonna unbox it, man, so you guys can see it. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's go. All right, guys, so I made it to Keith's shop. Mr. Keith there, FaTkaT, you guys know him. And this is what we got. And by the way, if you guys, just in case you don't know, this is Friggle. Be careful because it is Friggle. If y'all don't know, I don't know who wrote that on there, but either way, it don't matter. So let's see what this is. I guess Keith is gonna do the honors, I guess.
Well, you wasn't gonna do it.
I was gonna do it. You didn't even give me the chance.
Oh my! You can't do it and hold the camera.
Oh man.
That's two things.
Oh shit! It is two things. So let's see. That looks like a front lip. There's two front lips. Oh, that's a spoiler. Oh, okay. So I thought he said there's gonna be a front lip and a diffuser. So maybe it's a front lip and a spoiler. Okay. All right. So there you go. All right, let's open these up and see how they actually look. Okay. All right, man, so here it goes, all out and out the package and everything else. So we do have a carbon fiber rear diffuser and also a carbon fiber front splitter, man. So look at that, all in one piece. So these are sent out. So again, like I told you guys, we're gonna do some sort of raffle or something like that. Like I said, I haven't ironed out the details with them yet, but we are going to do some type of raffle or something like that to get this away, man. So you guys will have a chance to get a front splitter and a rear diffuser, man. That is probably, I don't know, that's probably about $600, $700 worth right there, that you'll potentially be able to get off of buying a $10 raffle ticket. All right, don't quote me on the price, but it would probably be somewhere around there, $10, $15 for a raffle ticket. You potentially be able to get a set, a front splitter, rear diffuser, man. You can't beat that at all. Like I said, let me iron out the details with these guys, and in a later video, I will actually, you know, get it out there and tell you guys exactly what it's going to be. But I can tell you, for me on my end, it's going to be once I hit 20,000 subscribers for sure. So once I hit 20,000 subscribers, we will definitely be giving these away. Now, like I said, again, let me see what on his end, what he wants as far as 500 or 1,000 or whatever the case, and then we'll give it away, man. But there y'all go, man. So that is the preliminary details, I guess, if you want to say that, for what these are going to be, man. So I'm going to tuck these away in the little, he has a little office back in that back corner. I'm going to tuck them away in there, and that's where they'll be at until basically, you know, it's time to give these away. So again, the faster you guys, you know, talk to your friends, talk to your families and everything else, get them to subscribe to the channel, the faster we'll be able to raffle these away, man. So make sure you guys do your part, and I'll do my part, you know what I'm saying? And with that, man, that is it for this one. Man, it is humid as hell here in Florida still. It seems like we deal with this crap more and more throughout as the summer goes on. And actually, we're supposed to have a tropical storm today that was supposed to be kind of rolling through. Instead, it was like 80-90% worth of a chance of rain. We literally got like a sprinkle for like 10 minutes maybe, and that was it. So now, as you guys can see, it's super sunny outside and the humidity is crazy. But it is what it is, man. It's Florida life. We deal with it. We'll see if we get some rain later on, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. What do you guys think about that, man? You guys think that's a good raffle? A raffle giveaway? I don't know. I don't like saying giveaway because even if you spend $10, it's not necessarily a giveaway, right? Because you guys did something to get that, right? You know, do you guys think that's a good prize to have, man, for 10 bucks, 10 or 15 bucks? What do you guys think? Let me know. I think it's a pretty dope deal. I don't know, but we'll see, man. So as we get closer to it, like I said, I'll be mentioning these in videos here and there as we get closer to that time. Man, why is my focus off? Is it me? I think my focus is off a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. I think my focus is off. I gotta start playing with my camera settings and see if something got screwed up. But anyway, other than that though, man, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I think that's pretty dope deal back there. And you know, hopefully one of you lucky people are able to actually receive that. Oh, by the way, just so you guys know, this is for a charger. I'm gonna go ahead and say that now, because in case somebody has a Challenger, have something else, and be like, wait, this shit don't fit. This is for a charger, man. So just so you guys know, this is for a charger. All right. If it's a wide body, it probably is not going to fit either. So if you got a wide body, that is not for you. A regular body, narrow body, whatever you want to call it, then that should fit your car. All right. All right, man. Other than that, again, we're out of here, man. Stay blessed, stay humble, stay motivated, stay genuine, and most importantly, stay true to yourself, man, because anything else will be uncivilized, man. We out of here. Later.